We'll add a little bit to this one. We'll turn in here, we'll go to the Publix, and they're building a bridge over here across this creek. It's been taking them forever. I think they finally have the main structure done. We'll go check on it and get a little video of that and add that to that other video, and then that'll be our test drive and just a little bit of something extra for you. There's a pizza place here. I wouldn't mind having a small pizza or a medium pizza. They still got the crane in place here. Well, we'll take a walk down there and take a look at it. Let y'all see some of this big equipment. We could make this video its own video. We'll see. We may do that, because that other one was 10 minutes anyway. So I guess this will be our bridge update. We do have a video of this earlier. We could get drone video, and we have drone video of this before they got started here. We could get drone video of this tomorrow morning. They had the creek diverted the last time we were here, but they've got it inside of the structure there now. That's interesting. I didn't know they would do it like that. Let's walk down and take a look. See if we can step over this silt fence without breaking our neck. This their little rest area? I don't know what that is. Pretty cool. What is that? I can't really think of the name of that plant. Is that Mondovia or something like that? It has purple berries on it. There you go. We'll come back when we get this, when they get it complete, and we'll have it. I think there's a pretty good watershed coming down through here. That's a big culvert. Okay, well, let's cut this one off and go ahead and start uploading it. It'll upload, and we'll get the there's you a Jarro spider. Well, is it going to focus on him? It might. Jarro, whatever they are.